All right.
Okay?
Yep.
All right. All right, Mama, you want to come out? I'll lift her out so there's no picture. Hey, my baby. Come on, Mama. Yeah. There's a whole new place here. Yeah. Yeah. And babies, very easy. They all got themselves in there. Mural was the only one that could go and get it. Mom was checking everything out. And I see windows.
Come on out. Come on out. You can do it. There's Mama.
There's Mama.
Yeah. Recess is the first.
Yeah, Mama. Yeah, whole new place here. Yeah.
Look at you being brave.
Yeah.
You know Jima's voice.
Oh, yeah, come on. I forgot the wood for the radiator there. I had a new one for there. I forgot to bring that for Mama. Come on, Mama. Yeah. Come on, Bubbles. Come on, let's go. Come see. Come see.
There you go, Cubby. Good job.
There we go.
There you go. Hi, Hall. Hi, Mural. Good job, babies. You're okay.
Yeah. Hi, Bubba. Look at you going inside there already.
Yeah. Hi, Hall.
Come on, let's go. Come on.
Oh, she's rubbing on the catnip already.
All right, Mama likes the catnip. You're like, all right, give me this. You got the babies, I got this.
Oh, look at you, Recess.
Say, come on, let's go. Let's go, come on.
Recess is the most curious over there.
Yeah. Say, what's this? This
I
looks like
know.
fun. Say, this looks like fun, huh?
Hey.
Huh. Say, hi, Grandma, I see you through the window. Let me put my head through it.
Hi.
There you go. Yeah. See, what is this? Yeah.
Oh, we got a couple that are sound asleep in there.
We're missing out on all
They
the
don't
action.
even realize that we're someplace new.
Come on. Oh, come on.
Yeah, bud.
Yeah, Reese is already all over. Yeah.
Hi, Elmer.
Come on, boo boo.
Hi there, Elmer. Oh, big yawn.
Here we go. That's it. Reese is going all over the place. There you go, baby. There you go. There we go. There we go. Sniff, sniff. Mama is all for that kind of.
Yep. I got their Yao makes these Crayola or these crayons, and that's what she's rubbing all over is the Yao catnip crayons.
All right, Cubby's going over in the school bus. Look at you. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay,
honey.
let's wake up some of your sleepy siblings.
Honey? Yeah, you're not going to be able to fit through the window. There we go. There we go. All right. Reese is at the food.
Oh, yeah. All right, Elmer.
Yeah.
Here, go to Jima.
Here we go. Come on.
You know her. All right, now it's the sleepyheads left.
Yeah.
We got Trig, sleepyhead.
Here we go. Yeah. Is that good, Mama? I'll get that out of your way. Okay.
Kinder, sleepyhead.
I'll get that out of your way. Yeah. Here we go.
And gotta be Soph
And you
back
have to all
here.
come around to your left.
Okay. Okay. All right, everybody's out. Thanks.
Here we go. I know. See there, we didn't even go to the vet. Yeah, we didn't even go to the vet. Yeah.
Mhm. Recess is all over the place. He is not afraid of anything.
No. Reese goes everywhere. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, you like this, huh? Yeah. And you'll be able to look out the window all the time? Yeah. Yeah.
Hi, baby. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
The whole body's.
They'll fit through there.
Well, he will, yeah. He's going to try. Oh, oh. What do you say? Huh?
Hi, Honor. Yeah.
Look at that.
Hi, Honor. What do you say, Mama?
Yeah. Just for right now.
Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah.
I didn't bring my phone in.
Oh.
It's in my pocket because it's right in the hall. I was trying to.
Go get it.
Yeah, I'll go get it. Wow, Reese, you went all around the room here.
You have on your ear.
Yeah, you did. Uh-huh. Yeah.
I think for the monster bed. He had it on his ear.
Yeah, what do you say?
Yeah.
Walking very carefully.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Except Reese. Like, nothing facing you, huh? Yeah. Say nothing's
Yeah.
facing me. I'm just going about my business here.
You gonna check out that counter? Yeah.
And the windowsill. She'll be able to get on her. Oh, go check out that window. You got a ledge over there. Yeah.
Hi, babies.
There you go. Oh, Reese is back at food. That's it. Go out there. Hi, poo-poo. Yeah. All right, Mama. Look out the window.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Get used to a floor now.
Hi, Bed. Hi, Biddy. I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah. I'm going to miss you guys at home. But they're just going to have so much more room now to run around.
Yes, you will.
Yeah. So much more space now.
There's a bunch of them in the school bus.
It's familiar. Come on. Come on. Come on. Yeah.
everywhere you look, there's a kitten. There's so many of them.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try to get a video here.
Yeah.
Okay, I need more of you on camera.
Well, Reese is still going around
One
exploring.
behind you. All right.
Come here. Yeah. All right, come on, get on camera. You're always walking around exploring.
Okay. Now I got it.
Okay.
She hears my cats out there.
It's okay. You're okay.
Oh, we're gonna have to put a gate in here. I forgot.
I think they're up in the attic. I think. So that's what good. Good thinking.
Well, there's a bunch in my room.
Oh, then that's where they are.
From next door.
Oh, okay. We'll grab one of those. Yeah, if they were, if they'd been in my house a little longer, I would have needed the gate right there.
I'm thinking mostly of Honor.
Well, her too. Because I had to keep going like this to get them
Yeah.
out. But if some of them were there and I opened up, you know, they would go, oh, start to go out. I'm like, no, 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 no. I'm going in, they want to go out. No,
Yeah.
no, no, no. Yeah. Uh-huh.
So you guys can see, this window also has Halloween curtains.
Yeah. You see? Huh? Yeah. 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 We got a whole new place now.
Now they're all exploring. Look at Mural back. Oh no, that's Elmer back there.
That's Elmer and, yep. We're over here checking this out. Yeah, they're exploring now. And of course under the radiator. Yeah.
I forgot to hang those lights.
Oh yeah.
I think I'll plug them in over here. And then maybe string them along the wall. That way they're not in the way of the snugglers getting food and everything.
Oh, okay. Come on, Boo Boo. Yeah.
Look at her face pop.
So it's a boing.
Hi, Recess. Kittens everywhere.
Yeah, you can walk all around and not run into each other.
It's funny, they're not used to this tile floor, so I keep seeing them shake their paws when as they're walking. It feels funny.
Okay. All right, let's see. Okay. Yeah.
Wouldn't that be amazing?
It really would.
I assume she didn't use the kitten attract.
I only saw Tinkle in there. No poops throughout the whole night. So some of them like to pee in there. You poop around. And managed to move the pee pad poop right there on the rug.
Okay.
I saw them this morning. I was like, she was in there for the longest time, walking around, scratching, and find another spot. It's like, oh, you know, I didn't want to move, and I'm trying to get all the other kittens away so they wouldn't play with her. It's like, no, I need her to go. No, she didn't. Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Yeah. See all this exploring? Yeah. All this exploring. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah, there's my boy. Yeah. Yeah. See what's going on? Yeah. Alright, you gonna go finish exploring now? Yeah? Okay. Go ahead.
Soph made it through.
No problem. Oh, we didn't get the.
Can't go back.
You couldn't go through the bottom one. You had to go through the top one. It's like, well, she can do it. I'm gonna try. Yeah.
Cubby fell asleep.
My nap time. I found a comfortable spot. I'll explore later. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Go explore. Yeah. Yeah. Like this new room? Yeah. Yeah. You like this new room? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yes, yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. All this room. Yeah. All this room.
Hi, Haw. Hi, buddy. Oh, look at your little face. think there might be 2 of them in there. I think there's 2 sound asleep in there.
Probably, I haven't seen Kinder, so Kinder may be in there.
Yeah, could be
Probably
her.
Kinder and Cubby. And Kinder's tired. Don't go in there. Come on, you're. Come on. Come on. Yeah. I see you. Yeah. I see you. You see you. Yeah.
Soph found the food. Trig is the heaviest one.
It was for a long time. I think Hall just went ahead.
It's just looking at him. He doesn't look that big.
He's solid. He's solid.
He doesn't look like Reese looks bigger. Now you got me calling him Reese.
Well, when you're trying to do so many different names, it's easier just to shorten it than keep saying recess all the time.
You got me calling him Reese. But he definitely seems bigger. It's just kind of a... Even Mural looks bigger. You are soft. You know who Recess reminds me of? Campbell.
Yeah. I haven't thought of that group for a long time. Well, except for Cart. But
Yeah.
yeah. Oh, that's cool. You saw
Well, Honor eats, like you said, from every single bowl.
it. Yes. Every one. She can't just stick with one and like eat it all so I can put the new food on that. No, no. Hi, Poo Poo.
Oh, we got another one in the school bus.
Yeah.
I think Mural went in there. I guess that's where they're going to sleep.
It's where the cuddle puddle might be.
Yep.
Here, Elmer.
I know. He's like crouching low.
A little nervous over there. Come here. Come here.
Alright, he's still moving.
It's reset. Really likes corners. And Mural.
He's alright, he's still just exploring. For now.
For now. Oh, he's been up there. Oh, that's good. Because look, me, I'm up here.
Aw, Hall's playing with a toy already.
Yay. Trig is eating kibbles. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Yeah, that's your brain. Yeah. Have you held him?
Who?
Trig?
I just pet him.
Oh. God, look at how more solid he is.
Oh yeah, I see.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. All right, I believe you now. Yeah, you got a tough belly there.
Yeah. That's why he's a chunker.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's solid.
All right. Yeah, you got yourself a good belly there. Paul really likes these toys.
Give me the toys.
Recess, what you doing in there?
Give me the toys, huh? Yeah. 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 Uh-huh. Yeah. You're used to others now. Yeah. The whole room full of toys.
Do they ever purr when you pet them?
A little bit. They do more now. They're not. They're not a loud group right now.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, now that they're in here moving around a little bit more, they might. Yeah.
Does Honor purr?
Yes. Oh, yeah. She loves being held and petted. She likes neck scritches, and she loves the attention. She purrs. Yeah. When she gets the individual attention, somebody's petting her and stuff like that, she purrs.
Soph is climbing the
Soph
curtains.
is on the curtains. It's like everybody said, Soph will be the first one.
She's trying to climb the cabinets.
She's the first one at the back of my place trying to climb on top of everything.
Yeah.
She'll be the first one up,
Yeah.
up the ramp. I bet you. Yeah, you like those curtains? Uh-huh, yeah. You guys can go play, okay? Okay, we'll go play. All right, come here, go play. Yeah, uh-huh. Go explore. Yeah. Yeah, go explore. Yeah.
Oh, there's Trig up there.
Trig up there. Oh, I was wrong. Wow, Trig. You beat your sister up there. Soph is here. Soph, you look where your brother is. Look over there. See where your brother is? Go check it out. Stick a bus from Milford. You want to go check it out? Yeah. Yeah. All right, go explore some more. Okay, yeah. All right, you want to go explore some more? Yeah. Yeah. You gonna go with me? Go explore?
Well, this is a great introduction. Honor was great.
Yeah.
Kittens were great. Good job, Honor.
She's doing great.
Yeah.
She's fine to say, I'm glad I didn't go to the vet.
job, Recess. Such a brave boy. Let's just check to make sure you're still a boy. Yep. I realized that I hadn't looked at their bottoms since they were 4 days old.
Oh.
And I have never rechecked them to make sure that I was right back then.
And I never checked.
Yeah.
Never thought about it.
Yeah, you're a boy. And I know that Hall's a boy because he showed off on cam at your house.
Yeah, something when I held them up for their bellies and everything like that. Never thinking about that.
All right, there's no mistaking Hall. There's Soph climbing the curtains again. Look at her go!
Look at Soph go. Oh my gosh.
Look at her go.
Soph, we haven't even been here an hour yet. Seriously?
How's Trig over there?
Trig really likes the little round thing over there.
Oh, he looks cute in there.
Hi, Poo Poo. Yeah. 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 You're getting up awful high. Yes, you are. Yeah. She's the one that's going to get in trouble. She will get into everything. Yeah. Yes, she will. Yeah, you will. You'll be the one to get in there.
Honor has not stopped eating for like 20 minutes. She's been in every bowl, but has not stopped. I guess Elmer's going to sleep back there. Trig has made himself a little bed in there.
Where's Elmer?
Underneath the curtain over here.
Oh, I can't see it. That's eating mama.
Yeah, he's on the blanket behind the tower, closing his eyes. Well, they're getting sleepy.
Yeah, they're winding down. All
Guess
this
it's time to
exploring.
get going.
Oh, I see. Okay. Mom, you ever gonna stop? Jeez.
All right, she's taking a break.
Darn. Did you leave any for the kids?
I mean, she made quite a mess.
Oh, she always does. It was hard, like, when you get someone that's under her she's eating, because then she drips the food on her own kittens. And it's like, then they come over and think, oh my gosh, you have food on top of you. Mama dribbled.
Hi, Soph. Let's make sure you're a girl. Yep, you're a girl. Oh, Honor's checking out where all the babies are sleeping. He was doing fine there.
They're fine, Mama.
my cutie. Yeah, you can check out that window.
Go ahead, Mama. Okay, you know, you guys, other places to sleep right now, okay? Things decline.
Okay. Time to get up. Time to get up.
You need to go explore without me here, okay? Alright, yeah, you're too familiar here. Yeah. Alright. Grandma's gonna move out of here too.
Alright, I'm just gonna clean up these cans.
I'm gonna put the carriers out of the room for them. Oh, they're not used to hearing all that noise. It's okay, baby. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's alright. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's alright. You'll get used to it. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. There you go, Mama. Comfort the baby. You're like, what's that?
Wait till they get a garbage disposal.
Oh, man. These are quite a room. It's okay. Alrighty? Yeah. It's okay. It's alright. Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna have to go get
that bank over there.
I'll get a gate too. Yeah. Okay. Alright. Okay. Yeah, Mama. Whoop, whoop. Oh, I'll get her. Come here. Come here, Mama. I got you. Oh, good bird. Yeah, it's okay. Yeah. Okay, yeah. Want to see outside? Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Let's see what's out there. Yeah. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. You're good. There you go. There you go. Okay. Alrighty. Yeah.